Hi everyone. Today going to show the method to plot the envelope of a radiation pattern, or it can be used for any kind of a plot. For example, I have an antenna which is having a nice radiation pattern working at 15 gigahertz, and I wanted to make a antenna array out of it. So using pattern multiplication method, I can implement that. So what I'm going to do is going to set up antenna array setup and going to select parametric antenna array and select here. I will specify my center frequency and I can tell how many elements or total length of the array, what is the spacing of the array in x and y direction and spacing. Here I can also mention which direction my beam has to be steered, and if I want some pattern tapering I can add it over here. Click OK, and if you would like to see how the array is going to look like, click here. You can see every zero point 0.5 lambda you will see something like this, and we can also see the radiation pattern is now changed. The requirement is if I want to plot the radiation pattern this and plot it for all theta and for all phi at 15 gigahertz, it's going to look like this. So this is in 3D, sorry, radiation pattern mode. If I change to rectangular pattern, and you can clearly see how the radiation is coming. There are some angles, especially at 45 degree, there is a high gain. And because of this 3D, if you see here, it has another gain maximum grating lobe is also coming. And this is will tell you that across the entire 360, which all direction, what is the maximum gain. And if I select this pattern, I can see this is going down all the way then coming up, but there are some other direction there is a gain pattern with a good gain over here. So if somebody want to take the envelope of the maximum on this radiation pattern, there is an easy way. What I will do is I'll select this and tell that this is my theta. I want to plot it over the theta, x-axis is theta, but I want to take the maximum of all phi over the gain. So go to range and tell that I want to take max. So if you want to take different values, you can set one of these option and tell instead of theta, I want to say if I take one particular theta, I want to see for all phi which is maximum. So instead of theta, select phi, click OK, and click or add a new report. That will be easy. So it does the calculation. And now you are getting a plot, which is the last one. You can see this is plotted. So let me do one thing. I'll change the color, and to get more attractions, let me put the thickness. You can see this plot is now the envelope of the entire gain. If I do this one and click new report, the same plot is coming here. This is coming with a different patch dimension, which we did the array. And if somebody want to see, you can use a X marker and then just check it out. What is the gain coming out? This is a way you can take the envelope of a pattern. It can be radiation pattern or any pattern which is in the plot, can extract it.